Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will create a shape dancing robot. So first we will delete this axis. Okay, let's start. Click on the text box, write shape robot. Now we will need a head for the robot. So select circle. Yes. Yeah, we can arrange wherever you want if you select that particular shape. Now next we need uh, a slider, name it as D. Currently we will put minimum value as 1 and maximum as 2. Increment point not 1. Later on we can adjust and change. Now we need 2 eyes for the robot. So we need to change the radius according to the slider value. That is why we created the slider first. I'm deleting that. Okay, select circle with center and radius. There we select the radius as D. That is our slider value. Again we will select, we need 2 eyes. Okay. Now just checking, yes. So we need to change the value of D. That we can put any value according to the size of the circle you have chosen for the head. So we can adjust the size of the eyes also. So accordingly your value may not be the same value of mine. So you can adjust by giving different values. Now, next we need a nose. That also we will select. First I'm just arranging the 2 eyes at proper place. We don't need that point, so I'm hiding that point. Now select polygon, click there and draw a triangle. This is the nose of robot. Now again we select polygon and we have to draw the mouth, so we will draw a rectangle. Yes, now the head is ready. Now we need the body of the robot, but before that I am just shifting this circle little bit down. We have to draw a square. Select polygon, square. It should be a proper square, so I am selecting 3 cell. So 3 by 3, 9 cells. Now we need legs. So I'm drawing a rectangle. Yes, our one leg is ready. Second, I'm drawing. Yes. Now we need a shoes for the top. What I'm drawing trapezoid. Yes, and we need arm for the robot. The same rectangle I'm drawing here. And I'm drawing a triangle also just to show that this is the hand of the robot. Wherever you draw, the shape should be proper. That is why I did not delete the cell. I deleted only the axis. Cell we need to draw the robot. By mistake I drew a triangle here. I'm deleting this triangle. Okay. So again click on polygon. Then draw rectangle for left arm. Now we have to hide all the points. But we have to carefully taking the points on the left side because the structures, the shape should not get deleted. I mean, shape should not get hidden. So here, so only select the point, then click on shift, then click on the last point. Then all the point will get selected. So we don't need to select each one point and hide. It's difficult and it is time consuming. But make sure that you should not you are not taking the selecting the shapes. So click on one point, one, then shift, then last point, so all will get selected. Okay, mostly done. Yes, it is done. Only circle label is left. Yes. Now, now we need to give colors to differentiate. Then only it looks beautiful. Because as it is, we are preparing this for smaller kids. So right click on the shape, select object properties. Then you can select color. So select any color, and below that there is opacity. You can see that. So make it in between 75 to 100. So select the first, give the colors to the biggest shape first. Because when we want to make it more opaque, the rest of the color also change. So here we'll give color to the head first, then smaller shapes. Okay, let's change. If it is not possible to select from the page you are seeing, you can select it on the left panel. Then also that will get selected. You just need to see which shape represent which point on the algebra panel. Now one by one give the color. Select from the left panel. Now it looks beautiful. Now we will give the colors to other body parts. Now we will give the color to the square. Blue. Hmm. Yeah, green looks good. Now we'll give color to the legs. Now we have to create input boxes. Now we are going to create input boxes where the number of shapes should be inputted. So for that, we create a text box. Write the number of each shape in the box given below. So we are going to give some input boxes. So what our objective is, the students or the kids will count the shapes and write the number. This is creating for lower grade. So before for the input numbers in each box, first we need to create the slider. So we are planning to input 6 shapes, so we need 6 sliders. I am just keeping this in capital letter because there are other small letters for points and other segments. So U, V, W. Then we will create X, Y, Z. And we need 2 more slides. Yes, it is done. Now we have to create the input box. Click on input box. Write the caption at circle equal to, then link the object with the first slider, that is our U. The input box is too lengthy, we don't need. So click on object properties, style, give 3. Yeah, this is enough to enter 1 digit. Like that, we have to create input box for each shape and we have to link it with the particular slider. Here I did not link, I will link it later. That also we can do. If you want to link it, suppose if we forget to link that, it doesn't mean that we have to create again. No, we can do it. I will show you later. A rectangle equal to link the object. Same procedure for all the boxes. And remember, we did not link square with V slider. We will do it later on. Yeah, now we will do now. Click on basic. Got stuck. You can see where it is. Click on object properties, input box. There you just need to type V, but it should be caps. Now the same thing, adjusting the length. Now we will do the same thing for the other three shapes. The shape is not in this robo, but I have put that students has to enter 0 there. The last shape is trapezoid. We will arrange the length as 3. Okay, now all our input boxes are ready. When we create this, it is already in, it is fixed on the screen. So that we need to move left and right, we need to uncheck that particular tab. But anyway, later on we will change the font, color, position, everything. Now we need one box for correct answer. When the students write the correct answer, it should show correct. If it is wrong, it should show try again. So we need to create that. And click on object properties, text, when to show u equal to 3. Because we have 3 circles. If they write 3, it should show correct. If they write some other number, it should show try again. So we will create a try again text box. Try again. Now right click there, object properties, condition to show u not equal to 3. Equal to 3. I am selecting this not equal to sign because we need it later for all the boxes. So it will be easy for me to paste rather than finding not equal to sign from the box. Now we will check. We write some other number 4, then it's working. Now we will do the same thing for all the 5 boxes, rest of the 5 boxes. Here we did not link. Yeah, we had linked it with V. Yes. Yeah, it's showing correct. Yes. There are 5 rectangles. We will create box for correct answer. Right click, object properties, condition to show object, W equal to 5. Then again text box, try again, click OK, right click, condition to show W not equal to 5. For ellipse, click on object properties, condition to show y equal to 0. There is no ellipse shapes here. Suppose if you want to give any ellipse shape here, you can give as ears. It's up to you. Then you need to give the condition accordingly. How many shapes you are putting here. Yeah, we are done with all text box. Now we don't need these slider. We don't need in the sense we can hide it. We don't need to show it. Yeah. Now we have to select the points because we are going to show some animation. When we move the slider, the point should move. Then it feel like the robot is dancing. So we have to select that particular points. Here E, because for triangle, I am planning to give that point only to move when I move the slider. So that point I will give some changes that I will show. First I am selecting the points where I need to move when the slider moves. So click on that point. Then you can see a box with x and y coordinates 3.72 and 1.4. I am going to move that point along x-axis. So I am going to give a, I'm going to redefine that point. So I am putting D there. Then let's see. D is our slider value. So accordingly that will move. And you can change that by giving redefine the point, and it will not be same for your robot, because it is depends upon the coordinates. So your coordinate might be different. So accordingly you have to see, you have to redefine your point. Suppose if you want to move it in y-axis, you will redefine the y coordinate only. So I want the mouth move in x-axis, x direction. So I am redefining the x coordinate. It's like a trial and error method. You can give any points and see which point suits the movement. I want this point move, this point also in x-axis, but x coordinate is 0. So whatever point multiplication I do there, it shows 0 only. So what I'm doing is I will add a constant value. So it is up to you. You have to see. So 0 plus d. I am seeing whether if I add that variable, that's fine. Sometimes you need to add constant. Here I am seeing I am adding 1.1 into d, a constant, and multiplied by our variable. Yes. Now I want to give animation for the hand. So first I need to find out that point. I did not see. Okay, let's find. Yeah, I want these points to move in y-axis. So click on the point. I will give the changes in y coordinate. Here I multiplied d on y coordinate. Now we'll see. Yes. So it is moving in y-axis. Now we will hide these points. Here we need a text that if all the answers are correct, then click on a button called I am done. This button we will create. button. We have already mentioned click on I am done. So we will give the caption as I am done. Now alignment changed. Okay, I'm trying to arrange the boxes. I'm trying to change this. We can move the screen also. It's not happening. Yeah. We can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, I'm changing one by one then. It's one by one I'm arranging the box. Somehow it got. Now we have to give animation. When the animation should start when the student click on I am done. That is the objective. Now we will write the script, that is start animation slider value, that is D, comma true. Now click on I am done. Yes, this is moving, but see the movement is very slow. So what we need to do is we have to modify the slider value. So that we will do later. Currently we need one more caption, that is stop, one more button, that is stop animation. Otherwise it will continue like that. If you want to stop, we have to give another script. Start animation, square bracket, D, comma, false. Now we are removing axis and grid. As I told you, it is the animation is very slow, so I change the speed to 50, and I am changing the increment also. Instead of 0.01, I am giving 0.001. Then we'll see how the animation will work. Now, yes, now it is moving fast. It looks good. Now we have to hide the labels also. Yes. Now we have to modify the text. We can give different colors to the text, different font. So you have to make it beautiful. Because when we give to kids, when they are doing it, it should be colorful. And we can hide that slider also. So I am making it more beautiful. So I am changing the font of the text. and the color too. You can give any color you want. You can make it beautiful the way you want. So almost done. So rest of the boxes also you can give colors. Yes, it is working. And click on I am done. Click on I am done. Yeah, our robot is dancing. So bye guys. We'll see you again with some interesting project.